Hi, my name is Yadira Peralta. I'm in Group 3 for the math class of 146 with the CRN 24828. And we are working on our first project. It's about the Babylonian numeration system, and we found out that it is a positional value system.
Hello all, my name is Erin Fenimore. I'm in Group 3, and I will be talking about whether or not the Babylonians had a symbol or a concept for zero. And, well, the answer is yes and no. They did not have a symbol for zero like we do, but they did use the concept. They were sort of halfway there. They used a space as a marker when there was a non-existent digit in a certain place value, and that's how it was ended up being used. So, for example, since we're in the base 60 system, all the numbers after 60, this is when the space is really used. So, for example, if I'm writing the number 62, I would use sort of the standard unit, which you typically look at and think it says 1. But in this case, it really means 60 because there's going to be a space here. So this is going to be 60. And then here is 1, 2. So together, that makes 62. And that's just because of this 0 here as sort of a place value. Now we can go down here and do another example. And if we did, again, the 60, we're going to leave a space there. And then we did this symbol, which of course we know means 10. Well, this means this is 60. All of that is 60. And this is 10. And so, of course, together, those make 70. And that's sort of how this space is utilized within the Babylonian system.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Ladon in the Babylonian group, and I'm answering question number 4. The Babylonians understood the concept of fractions. They even extended their number system into the 60th, just as we do to the tens, hundredths, and so on. However, they did not have any form of decimal or notation to represent a fraction equation. This means that integers and fractions were expressed identically. For example, these are two Babylonian numbers and their number system, 13 and 16. Put together, they could represent two entirely different numbers. First, a fraction. 13 units and 16 sixtieths, and also a whole number. 13 in the 60th place value and 16 in the unit place value. Thank you.
I found that the Babylonians used base 60. They used two symbols to write their numbers, and I found some neat examples of their lovely organization. I have here the 1, 2, 3, 4, and they start stacking them after 3, which is kind of neat. Like as I showed here on number 9, they have the 3 symbols for 1 in 3 rows, which equals 9. And then when they move to 10, they have the new symbol. So 10 plus 1 equals 11, and here I show the 10 symbol and a 1, and that equals 11. And then I also have another example of the 10 plus 10 equals 20, and they have the two 10 symbols, which would equal 20 to them. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Ladon in the Babylonian group, and together our group answered question number 6, why the Babylonian number system is unique. The Babylonian number system is unique for many reasons, such as there are only 2 symbols, which is unique for a base 60 number system. Also interesting and unique is the fact that the Babylonians have the oldest numbering system. On top of that, the Babylonians made many advances, such as being the first civilization to invent a useful way of representing fractions and to use a form of 0. But possibly most interesting is how the Babylonians inspired our use of 60 in our measurements of time and angles. For example, 60 minutes in an hour and 60 seconds in a minute. This concludes our presentation. Thank you.